welcome to today's video. My name's Amy if you're new here, and today we have a little tiny charity shop haul. I went to Hospice with my charity shop gift card that was gifted for the thrift fair competition, and I picked up a couple of pieces, and I honestly feel like it's a crime if I don't share them with you, so I thought I would. I know there's been a lot of hauls on here. To be honest, I haven't really had time to film much else. But without further ado, let's get into the pieces. So these are all from the Havens Hospice in Basildon. That store is everything £2 or less. So all these pieces were £2 and they're all purchased with my charity shop gift card. That's all cleared up. Let's show you the pieces. So the first thing I saw was this gorgeous, gorgeous dress. So it is a midi length and it has got kind of a halter neck style. So this is originally Bay, never heard that before, size 16. It does have kind of bits where your boobs are meant to go, which I'm not being funny. That's that big. Whose boob is that long? Anyway, I thought it's cute and I want to pick it up anyway. And as soon as I showed my mum, she said, your boobs aren't fitting in that. But it's one of the things I think that it's so subtle, kind of the little stitching and the ruching. I don't think it really matters that my boobs don't fit in there. And anyway, I love the shape of this. It has got kind of a frilly kind of bottom, but you'll see that kind of on the try on. But I thought this was really, really cute. A fun kind of summer dress. I feel like this could go into like you could go to this in like a pub garden, but then equally like could wear this out somewhere nicer. I think it's one of the pieces you could dress up and dress down is what I'm trying to say, and I really liked it, so I picked that one up. The polka dot dress. So I actually really tried this on, like not looking in the mirror until just then, and I can see now so much more clearly where the boob bit ends. Like, that is ridiculous. Can we agree that that much room for your boobs is not enough? Like, my boobs end here. Like, this is gonna be a little bit of a rant, but if you're making clothes for a size 16 body and you allocate the same amount that you would allocate for like a size 4 or a size 6, like that's not going to be enough. And I completely understand there's people who are a size 6 with very small chest and people who are a size 16 with very small chest, but like that's not long enough on a size 16 torso, I don't even believe. Like, I just think that it really, really pisses me off because a lot of my clothes I really love, like this dress, like if the boob bit came down here, which is where my boobs end, the fact that they end before it even hits my nipple is ridiculous and is so, so annoying. But rant over. I am like I just tuck in my bra straps. Obviously I would wear a good bra that has got nice support and is strapless to kind of get the full effects. I feel like a bra that you're just tucking in like doesn't ever give you that shape, and I do feel like this is one I would have to fit around with the strap and get it to a height that works, because my instinct was to tie this quite tight, like I would build a lot of my halter necks to kind of hike the boobs up. But because this boob bit is so, so small, I feel like I do need to kind of lower it down and have it sitting lower, just so the boob bit doesn't look quite so ridiculous. In saying that, I'm going to pan you down so you can see the bottom, because I do think that the bottom of this dress is somewhat where it shines. I really like the kind of flared frilly bit at the bottom. I think it's really, really cute. I think with like a red lips and red accessories, it's gonna look really, really cute with like a little updo. I do really love this dress. It's just the thing about the chest just really annoys me, and it gets to the point where I'm like, there's no point. I'm in very much two minds. I saw this dress and really debated putting it back because like my boobs won't fit in that gap, but at the same time, like, is that gonna just wipe me out from being able to wear any piece of clothing with kind of the chest part marked out? And like that wipes out so many women's clothes designs if I just don't wear things that have this kind of already built-in structure. So either dressmakers, people that design clothes, stop putting this boob bit in because my boobs don't fit in it, or make the boob bit big enough. If you're making bigger size clothes, make them with a bigger boob bit. End of rant over. It just really annoys me. I'm sure a lot of bigger chested gals out there can understand exactly where I'm coming from. Also, I've tried this on with my chub rub shorts and I instantly feel chub rub. I feel like if any of you guys have chub rub problems and you're living in this heat, I feel for you and I'm here with you, because I've been wearing shorts every single day because it's so hot. Anyway, rant over. I think your dress is really cute. There's just things that need to be worked on with it, and that's out of my control. Next thing I picked up, again, £2 from Havens Hospice. This is originally, let's see if we can find a tag. Oh, here we go. Originally Asda, George, I thought this swimming costume was so cute. I am hoping to go away in October, but if not, I will be away soon, hopefully. So I thought I'd pick this up. I feel like you can never have too many swimming costumes, and me and my mum are the same size, and actually my friend Emily's the same size as well, so we do all kind of share. So I thought this was really cute. I liked this little detail, I liked the colours, I thought it was nice and fun and bright. I do feel like quite secure in a swimming costume, so I decided to pick that one up as well. Here is the swimming costume. I love this. I think this makes me look so teeny in the waist. I love it. I think it shows my curves well. It supports the chest enough, and the boob bits comes to underneath my boobs. They have like built-in paddling that you can't see from the outside, but you can feel on the inside, and it does feel like I've got a bit of extra lift. Plus there is cups, but they don't like look crazy, they're not out of place. Obviously you can tie this as kind of tight or as loose as you want it on the neck area. I feel like this sort of thing is great when you're tanning, because you can just kind of undo this and fold it down, and then you won't get any tan lines. Apart from this little circle you might get here. It's got really good coverage on the bum. In fact, actually when you put it on, it kind of naturally falls a bit more like that. So actually really good coverage on the bum. To be fair, I'm happy for it to be a little bit lower coverage, but I love this thing. It's so cute, and I can't wait to wear it on a holiday. The next thing I picked up, again, £2 from Hospice. This is originally Matan, which I'm shocked by this. This is a size 16, and it is just too tight. I have tried this on, and just round my hips, it's too tight. So I actually brought this, kind of like a swing cami dress, a bit like the red and yellow one I have. However, this kind of does not skim over my hips. It sticks to my hips, and I really hate that. So I probably will just whack this on Depop. But I am annoyed by this, because I feel like it would work so well if you were like a size 14 maybe. But me as a size 16, this just does not fit how I want it. So yes, I will not be keeping this one, but I'm really annoyed because the colour's gorgeous, and I think if it fit how I wanted to, this is perfect for the hot weather. So here is the dress. I'm actually super annoyed about this, because I feel like it's even worse when things like kind of fit. Like it kind of fits, but then equally kind of doesn't. And I hope you guys know what I mean by that. So obviously it is on. I did try it on earlier, and I was wearing pyjama shorts because it's too hot and chub rub's a problem. So I've been wearing pyjama shorts because I was wearing like a swing dress, it didn't matter. And with the pyjama shorts on, this was super tight around my hips. At this point, it isn't super tight, but it is on my hips, and like that's not what I want from these dresses. Like I buy these because none of the materials touch my body, and although it does feel comfortable and cool, I think you can see that it just kind of falls on my hips here and my thighs and my hips, and I just don't love that. And I just don't think I'll reach this one as much as I reached my other two. So yeah, I'm not sure about this, but there's always gonna be stuff that doesn't work out, but we tried it, and that's all that matters. Super annoying though, and I feel like I literally need to be like one size smaller, and this will fit absolutely fine. Then finally I picked up this gorgeous little mini bag. I literally love this. So for the thrift off, I was looking for a specific kind of bag, and I have a feeling this may be the bag for the picture. I do have one, but I wanted to get one with my charity shop gift card. And to be honest, I've lost all my black mini bags. Like I don't know where they've gone. I had two that were very similar, and I've lost them both. So here we are. This is to replace that one. I actually really like the silver detail on this. I like how it's kind of it's not a canvas material, like a plasticky material. I hope you guys can you hear that? If you hear that, you probably know the material. But I thought this was really cute, very basic, but kind of an essential. And I feel like it's one of them bags. It doesn't look very big, but you probably fit quite a lot in. So I picked that one up as well. So that was quite a small haul, but it is so hot, so I'm going to keep it super sweet and short. But I really hope you enjoyed today's haul. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment what your favourite item was down below. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!